This is about data quality in general and survey data in particular. And here's a quote that I found that I thought was particularly appropriate for the oil field. Data is the fuel we use to make decisions. Some of the key things we'll look at. Data is the basis of the information that we use to make decisions. Hence the quote, data is the fuel we use to make decisions. Efficiency. It's been estimated that oil field professionals spend 20 to 50% of their time locating and verifying data. Wider research, not just oil industry, but wider research suggests that this figure could be as high as 80%. If they're spending that much time locating and verifying data, then they're not focused on their core competency of technical analysis. Now, because data is the basis of the information we use to make decisions, then it follows that good data is a valuable asset and poor data is a huge liability. Responsibility, no surprises here. Energy companies are responsible for the wells they drill and the data related to them. We'll take a look at elements of data quality, should be correct, complete, consistent, etc. We'll look at the potential impact of poor quality survey data. We'll see that historic data is important too. We're still making decisions based on it. A lot of it's not in good condition. And we'll see why the quality of current data flows is so important too. The information age. We live in the information age, and it's debatable when this began to affect the oil field. Now, it's not debatable that we know that it was long enough ago for us to get our data in a real mess. And there are groups within the oil industry working on cleaning up this data. In fact, that's what I've been doing for the last 4 years. But there are more groups that are developing more software to generate more data. And there's certainly more data being generated than there is being cleaned up. In fact, there's so much data around now, in a lot of cases we're getting overwhelmed by it. And often little effort is being made to ensure its quality. And also a lot of it's not getting used, it's just taking up storage space somewhere. And it could be valuable data, but not getting used. There's a huge amount of poor quality historic data around. And the problem comes in here where we're using this in our decision making process, and it follows that if we're making decisions based on poor quality data, then one would expect that they're going to be poor quality decisions. So really there's two issues with all this data. First, ensuring the current data is good quality, and second, considering cleaning up our historic data. Why is data quality important? It's attracting a lot of attention in the energy business nowadays, and it's important for a number of reasons. Firstly, as we just mentioned, data is the basis of the information we use to make decisions. Or to use the quote again,